Rogers Wi-Fi disconnections often stem from three key areas: band steering, pods, and signal issues. Band steering automatically switches devices between 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz, and 6 GHz bands. When poorly implemented, devices ping-pong between bands, causing drops. Rogers Ignite pods extend Wi-Fi coverage, but improper placement weakens the signal. Signal problems arise from interference, obstacles, or outdated firmware. Addressing these factors is crucial for stable Rogers Wi-Fi. Quick fix: temporarily disable band steering. Long-term solutions involve optimizing pod placement, updating firmware, and improving signal strength. To troubleshoot Rogers Wi-Fi disconnections, start by disabling band steering in your router settings. Access the router at 192.168.1. Go to Wireless and toggle band steering off. For pods, ensure they are not too far from the main router. Use the Rogers Ignite app to optimize placement, aiming for -50 to -60 dBm signal strength. For signal issues, reposition your router away from metal objects. Manually change Wi-Fi channels or use Ethernet for critical devices. Upgrade to newer Rogers modems like the XB8 or XB9 for improved band steering and Wi-Fi 6E or 7 support. Use Wi-Fi analyzers to identify weak spots. Enable quality of service QoS to prioritize bandwidth for streaming. Regular firmware updates are vital for stability. Check for updates in your router settings or the Rogers Ignite app.